It's cruise week. I got my hat on and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go, but I got an email from the old carnival talking about the parking and some traffic issues in New Orleans this weekend. So it's got me a little concerned, but we'll talk about it anyway. How about it? Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Ike Stevens. Welcome to Blue Collar Cruising. If this is your first time here, this is a place where we talk cruising and we cruise every now and then, and we'll be cruising this week, okay? It's been a while since we've gone on a cruise. It's been since July. And we've been on a dry run here. It's kind of, it's been rewarding because we got some stuff done, but then it's like, man, I miss cruising. It's been a while. I mean, back in the day, I was only going on one cruise a year, and now we go on three or four. So yeah, first world problems. I shouldn't complain too much. No, I've missed the ship. I've missed the cruise life. This year we've got a lot of cool stuff going on, but that's not what you tuned in to hear, right? You guys are concerned like I am with Carnival and New Orleans, especially New Orleans this weekend. Now, this weekend is February 19th is when I'll be going on my cruise on Carnival Glory. Now, a few weeks ago, I did a video talking about how I wanted to hit a goal of losing 10 pounds in 4 weeks. Well, we passed that goal up. I mean, we just did, and we did really good. We've actually lost 13 pounds instead of 10 pounds, and we still got a few days to go here. So hopefully we'll get down to 15 pounds, right? That's, the goal was 10 pounds. We'll lose 15. That'll be good. Anyway, just to go on the ship and put it back on again, hey, that's kind of the thing. So got this email today. So they're talking about the traffic alert for New Orleans. Now, it's Mardi Gras, right? It's Mardi Gras, and I seem to think that I've cruised in Mardi Gras before out in New Orleans. Never really had an issue. So basically, I'm not going to read the whole email. If you're cruising this week, you'll know. You've already got the email talking about how the parking garage is actually being shared. This is the first I didn't know that they share the parking garage with Mardi Gras people. Like, just general public can go in there and just park there. I didn't know that. I mean, so here's the deal. The parking garage there, I've done the videos on it. I highly suggest you guys park at the parking garage. Now, we usually show up there early anyway. It's never really an issue, but they're saying that it may be full, and they highly encourage ride sharing or allowing somebody to drop you off. Now, we're staying in a hotel in Laplace. I haven't really even looked to see if they actually have long-term parking there in their place there, but I doubt it. I just doubt it. And to have like Uber or Lyft or someone to come in and pick you up all the way from Laplace and take you, I don't know. I'm sure they do, but we're going to go and park there anyway. We're going to go and listen. We're taking a chance because we've got a pretty nice pickup truck. Okay, it's like, so we want to park in the garage, just mainly because of convenience, right? It's very convenient. I've touched on this. Yeah, it's safety and all that, but the convenience of parking there at that parking garage is unbelievable. If you've never parked at the parking garage there, they call it something I can't remember. It starts with an E, a Rado or some stupid freaking French crap, Cajun crap. I don't even know. If you're Cajun or French or whatever, I just called you crap, or your words crap. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I don't think you're crap. I don't think your words are crap. Maybe your words are crap. Never mind. Your words are crap. Okay, if I can't pronounce them, they're crap. I can listen. I can pronounce crap pretty good. Anyway, listen, I'm from East Texas, okay? I ain't no Cajun. All right. I just live just a few miles from Shreveport. Those people think they're Cajun and they're not. Listen, I've been to southern Louisiana. I've trucked down there and all that kind of stuff. I can't barely understand those fellers down there. Those are true Cajuns down there. Got a lot of respect for them. I can't understand a thing they say. What these people up here in northern Louisiana over here by Shreveport, they are basically they're inbreds, okay? They're mixed breeds. I should say they're not inbreds. They're mixed breed. They're either Texan or Arkansas or Oklahoma or Mississippi. They ain't no Cajuns, okay? So they just pretend like it, and it's so annoying. It's so annoying to sit there and watch that crap. But anyway, sorry if I offended you, but it is what it is. So we're gonna go. And we're going to go and attempt to park there here in this parking garage, right? Now, there's places outside that they'd say, and they're saying that's not safe. And, man, I don't know. I was disappointed when I got this email. You know, they're sitting there talking about parades and stuff like that. So if you're cruising, on Sunday morning like I am, and you're fortunate enough to watch this video and know, right? Get in the plan with me and show up there early. Now, I don't think that the whole ship, okay, is watching this video. Maybe a few of you are, so maybe 2 or 3 people actually watch this video that are actually going on this cruise, maybe that are driving their own personal vehicle, if that. So I don't sit there and think that I'm sharing any kind of secrets here, right? It's like, hey, we're giving each other. It's not like this is this huge channel that the whole ship's going to be watching this channel. No, it's not happening. So, if you guys were like me, I'm going to show up there around 9. I'm going to try to get up there at the port when people are getting off the ship. And that's usually been a good success for us, right? A good success. Listen, give you guys, if you've never parked at this parking garage before, once you debark from the ship and you got all your luggage, you get on the elevator and you go to your vehicle and you're gone. It's fast. That's the convenience of this thing is so incredible. You don't have to check. You don't have to catch no freaking shuttle. There's no. You just, once you leave, you load up your car full of suitcases and you're gone. It takes you 5 minutes, right? There's no, so I'm going to get there between 8:30 and 9, right? I'm going to take my chances. And hopefully the porters will say, hey, they'll be ready and they'll hook me up with a good parking spot because I'm going to hook them up with a good tip. Okay, that's another thing. You want a good parking spot? Tip them well. Okay, and I don't mean no $5. A lot of people sit there, oh yeah, just tip them $5. No. I usually, depends on how many bags. There's going to be 3 of us. 20 for sure. I'm not sure if we're going to do 40, but definitely a $20 bill. Yeah. It's been my experience where the last cruise out of New Orleans, especially what I remember the most, is that, and every time we've parked at this parking garage, we've never had to go way up there on the top. Because the last time that I went, the guy initially says, just follow up, go all the way to the top, right? Or go to another floor way up here. But then he looked down to see what I gave him for a tip. And he's like, oh, wait, hang on. Let me move these cones and you could park right here by us. And every time, and I've always tipped them $20. Every time I've always parked at that same spot, right? Real close to where the porters are. And so just remember that, folks. Just remember that when you're at New Orleans, they will tell you to park somewhere based on the tip that you give them, those porters. Okay? Because they're going to direct you where to go. So, just saying. So, yes, tip well. Tip well, you will You will like it. Listen, you're on a cruise ship, right? You're going on a cruise. People expect you to tip. You got money. You're a rich person. You're rich. You're rich. If you're watching this blue collar cruising, yeah, you're rich. You're watching this freaking redneck with the freaking cowboy hat on. You're rich. Yeah. But hey, you know, just remember, especially when you tip well, especially those guys, those guys, it'll pay off. So we're gonna show up there. I'm thinking about 8:30. We're coming from Laplace, and listen. I don't know if you've seen the freaking hotel prices in New Orleans this weekend. Crazy, and they have a minimum number of nights that you can stay too. We're talking about thousands of dollars per night on rooms that are usually $200 or $300 per night. It's always expensive in New Orleans, but whew, we actually got a pretty good deal in Laplace. Okay, not too many Mardi Gras people, I guess, stay in Laplace, which is fine. Either that or Slidell or something like that. Didn't even look in Slidell. We looked at Laplace and we were good there. So, anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, if you guys are going, good luck. Good luck. If you've got a hotel that allows extended stay for your vehicle, take advantage of that. But I highly doubt this weekend that there's a lot of that going on because all these rooms are booked up. So I hadn't even tried looking in a long time. We booked our room 6 months ago. It's been a while we booked our room, so and it was pricey then, all these rooms in New Orleans. It's crazy. Mardi Gras is crazy. We're not even there for Mardi Gras. Didn't even think about Mardi Gras until way later. If we had thought about it, it's like, you know what, let's just get on the Vista instead, or the Dream or something like that. But because Galveston's not too bad when it comes to, they do celebrate a little bit of Mardi Gras, but it ain't nothing like New Orleans. Anyways, guys, we'll holler at you guys later. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we will show you some cruise footage coming up real soon. I'm getting excited.